Hi everyone, for this question that asks us, by using integrating factor we need to solve this differential equation where y in the bracket of 0 is equals to 1, which means that this is the variable y and x, so this is y in terms of x. In other words here, x is 0, y is 1. By using integrating factor we follow the questions here. What we need is the methods of simplify to the standard form, write it into the standard form, then finding integrating factor, then do the multiplication to the standard form, writing product rule, so that we can integrate both sides, we can get general solution and particular solution. First, forming standard form, it will start from dy dx, followed by the term y and the term of x at the right hand side. So this dE is given in the standard form already. What can we do from this standard form? We need to identify the coefficient of the y. So the coefficient of the y here will be 1. Then we can proceed to find out what is our integrating factor. Integrating factor formula ex e integrate px dx. Integration will be happen at the power of the exponential. So for this question, px is 1. Integrate 1, we get x. So we get integrating factor as ex. Then what to do with the ex? We need to multiply the integrating factor back to the standard form. So just write out the step. Ex times dy dx, ex times y, then ex times x, e negative x. Then after we done the multiplication step, we need to write out product rule. Product rule formula will be d dx vx times y. So our vx just now is ex. Then for the right hand side here, we can simplify, where exponential times your exponential, the power will be plus. So it will e to the power of 0, which means that here is d dx ex times y equals to x. Then we're going to do integrating both sides. Integrate this with respect to x. For the left hand side and the right hand side, so that differentiation and integration cancel each other. It can give us back to the answer of ex times y. Meanwhile, for the right hand side, we need to integrate x with respect to x here. So it will be power plus 1 over new power. When we finish integrating everything, then we plus c. So the next step is forming the general form where y as a subject. So for ex, we need to move to the right hand side. So it means that it will be 1 over ex for timing this. So this is our general form. Then to continue to the particular solution, we are given with the value here where substitute x equals to 0, y equals to 1. So that we can find out the constant c there. So c is equals to 1. Therefore, finally, we put back to our general solution to form out particular solution. So that's all for these questions.